Before starting this video, let's talk about our today's sponsor of this video. Introducing the Tronsmart Bang, your ultimate party speaker for outdoor fun. Today, we'll dive into its features and performance to see if it's worth your investment. First up, let's talk about design. The Tronsmart Bang boasts a classy and sturdy build, weighing in at 3.08 kilograms. Its sleek LED light strip adds a touch of elegance without being overwhelming. Plus, the large handle makes it super portable for any adventure. Now let's explore the functionality. The speaker comes with various ports including USB, USB-C, aux, and TF card slots, all covered by a thick rubber flap for water resistance. The array of controls on the front allows for easy operation, including NFC pairing and volume adjustments. One noticeable improvement in the app is that you don't need to create a user account to use it, which is great. Simply open the app and connect to the speaker via Bluetooth. Although the speaker icon in the app still shows the old design, it's still easy to use. When you select the speaker, you'll see music presets like Sound Pulse, Deep Bass, Classical, and Rock. Plus, you can customize your equalizer settings by adjusting the bass, mid-range, and treble. The app's second page lets you choose input modes, light settings, broadcast blaster, and power off the speaker. Now the app remembers your light settings, so you don't have to change them every time you turn on the speaker. Overall, these app updates enhance the user experience and make it more convenient to control your Tronsmart Bang speaker. In terms of battery life, the Tronsmart Bang delivers up to 15 hours of playtime without LEDs, perfect for extended outdoor sessions. As for sound, it's loud and bass-heavy, ideal for pumping up the party atmosphere. While the speaker's call quality is decent, its latency for gaming might not be ideal. However, for its intended purpose as a party speaker, it's forgivable. In conclusion, the Tronsmart Bang offers impressive features and performance at an affordable price point, making it a great choice for outdoor gatherings and events. If you're in the market for a budget-friendly party speaker, look no further than the Tronsmart Bang. You can purchase through my special links that are given in description box. Must check out. Recently, there have been growing reports among users of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra regarding a significant issue with the screen quality. This problem becomes particularly noticeable when displaying dark colors like dark gray, appearing as a graininess or sandiness on the screen, regardless of the brightness settings being low or high. This is disappointing because AMOLED screen technology is known for its deep black levels and high contrast ratio, which are not meeting expectations in this case. Unlike previous Samsung models such as the S23 Ultra and Galaxy S9 Plus, this issue seems unique to the S24 Ultra. Supporting evidence, including photos collected from various user forums and images from personal devices, highlights the widespread nature and impact of this problem. It's concerning that recent software updates from Samsung haven't resolved the issue, suggesting it's likely a hardware-related problem. What's even more disappointing is the lack of an official statement or satisfactory solution from Samsung. Suggestions like using the device at maximum brightness and in light mode from a moderator on the Samsung Korea forum seem like temporary fixes and raise concerns about users' eye health. This situation underscores the need for Samsung to be more transparent and effective in addressing this widespread issue. Users deserve to know the cause of the screen graininess, which production batches are affected, and what steps Samsung is taking to fix it. Moreover, there are reports of pixel-like errors resembling dust inside the screen when exposed to direct light while the screen is off, not only on the S24 Ultra but also on other Samsung devices like the Tab S9 Ultra. In light of these issues, we urge Samsung to issue a clear statement, conduct thorough investigations to identify affected devices and batches, and take tangible steps to ensure customer satisfaction and product quality. As a user community, we understand that such issues can tarnish the overall quality of products and brand reputation. We hope Samsung takes these concerns seriously and provides effective solutions promptly. User Tommy Trill Ninja recently expressed frustration about the graining display issue on the Samsung S24 series. They expressed disappointment in experiencing this problem, especially after switching from iPhones, and highlighted their desire to give Samsung a chance to spike the issue. They questioned the notion that the grainy display is normal, emphasizing that it's not natural or appealing, particularly in a modern smartphone in 2024. Drawing a comparison with their positive experiences with iPhones over the past decade, they expressed deep disappointment with their current Samsung experience. Tommy Troll Ninja also shared their feedback with Samsung through their members app, indicating their dissatisfaction with the issue. They expressed their hope for a resolution but conveyed their disappointment with the response from Samsung. This user's experience underscores the significant impact of the grainy display problem on user satisfaction and brand perception. It highlights the importance for Samsung to address these concerns promptly and effectively to maintain customer trust and satisfaction. The first software update for the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra took a while to begin, but as of January 23, Samsung has made the update available in many countries worldwide. In the first update for the Galaxy S24, there are lots of improvements to the camera. Plus, users now have the option to change how vibrant the display appears. Initially, Samsung adjusted the displays on the Galaxy S24 series to show colors more naturally. However, this made both the vivid and natural display modes seem equally dull, which might not have been what they intended. After you've installed the update, if you go to the display settings and choose screen mode and select vivid, you'll see a new vividness slider when you tap on the advanced settings button. But what if you can't find the advanced settings option? No need to worry, it's not a problem. It simply means that the adaptive color tone feature is turned on in the display settings. This feature uses the rear and front cameras to sense the surrounding light conditions and adjust the colors on the screen to look more natural. That's why the phone doesn't let you change the screen mode when adaptive color tone is active. If you want to tweak the vividness of your Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, or S24 Ultra display, you'll need to turn off adaptive color tone first. You can do this by going to the phone's settings, then selecting display. Once adaptive color tone is off, you'll be able to access the advanced settings menu for the vivid screen mode. Here, you can adjust the overall vividness and fine-tune the white balance using the RGB sliders. At My Dayback Cafe also shared a screenshot and says, "People are crazy. What better proof do you need? They wanted vividness. Now they want to go back because it was better. How are companies supposed to please everyone? I guess it was way better back in time when you received an update and you didn't have any means to complain and tag Samsung or Apple or Oppo or whatever company, and everybody was okay with anything. People can never be content."
Take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do, so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move, so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts.
Which issue, bug, or problem you are facing with your new Galaxy S24 Ultra? Let me know in the comment section. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.